Turn off Wi-Fi. Easy English explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase, turn off Wi-Fi. Understanding this phrase is not just about the words, but also about the context in which it's used. So, let's dive in. Turn off Wi-Fi is a simple instruction consisting of two main parts: turn off and Wi-Fi. Turn off is a phrasal verb that means to stop a device or a service from working by moving it to the off position or by stopping the flow of electricity or signal to it. Wi-Fi, on the other hand, refers to a wireless networking technology that allows computers, smartphones, and other devices to communicate over a wireless signal. You might hear or need to use turn off Wi-Fi in various situations. For example, when you are trying to save battery on your device, in an airplane before takeoff, as part of electronic device management, when troubleshooting internet connectivity issues, to limit screen time or internet usage at home or in a public place. There are similar phrases that you might come across, such as switch off Wi-Fi. This has the same meaning as turn off Wi-Fi. Disable Wi-Fi. This is a more technical term, often found in computer settings. Disconnect from Wi-Fi. This means to stop your device from using a specific Wi-Fi network, but the Wi-Fi on the device remains on. Turn off Wi-Fi is a practical phrase that's useful in many everyday situations. Remember, learning a language is about understanding how phrases are used in real life. We hope this video helps you grasp not just the words, but the context in which they're used. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.